Hi guys, this is one of the proofs that all the main flat earth shield channels use to deceive you, in that they are saying you can with the P900 bring in things back into view by zooming on them. Well, they clearly have not held the camera in their hands, or have held, but they are deceiving and lying in a sense that you cannot bring anything back from disappearing, you know. Once things disappear, they are not visible and they disappear. That's it, they are gone. It's the reason why the sun doesn't get smaller and it just sets into the sea or into the behind your circle of view. Okay, so I'm going to prove to you now there's a ship which is very far. I don't know how many miles, could be 15 miles, maybe, I don't know, maybe more. On the sea, I can see it with my naked eye. Barely I can see it, but it's still there. Now what the zoom will actually do, it will magnify what is already seen by your naked eye. It will just magnify the image. Let's do that together. Let me zoom in. I'm not bringing anything back into view, it's already visible to my naked eye. Let me find it. There it is, you see that? So this is on digital zoom. This shape is visible with my naked eye, but I can barely see it, okay? It's in my circle of view, it's overlapping, this is why I don't see the full shape. I'm going to zoom out. This optical zoom, 83 times. This shape is visible to me, again, I repeat, by naked eye. The only thing the zoom will do, what the main flat earth shield channels will not tell you, just magnifies what is already visible. Once it's gone, I cannot zoom in on it anymore, because it's out of the circle of my sight. I hope that's clear, so let me zoom in. You can see it's still visible. Even now, if I crop the image, you would still see the ship, okay? Because I'm looking at it with my bare eyes and I can see it. So let's zoom in again. So the zoom is only magnifying things that are visible to you. This is the reason why the sun is about 3 miles away, doesn't change size as these ships. These ships go further away, thus getting smaller in size until they vanish to the vanishing point, or until they are away from your circle of sight. Please watch Event Skeptic video on this. He has the best video on flat earth about no curvature and circle of sight in this reality. So again, this is 83 times. This is digital 323, I think, times. I'm not sure. I think so. It's over 320 or something. So optical zoom. This ship is visible to me. I am not using the Nikon to bring it back. This is impossible. I hope I'm making this point very clear, guys. You can go out to a beach, test this yourself, get the camera, even the P610, which is much cheaper, it's half price of the P900, and the P900 is right now much cheaper. So let's zoom in on a lighthouse from here. This is about 9 miles, I think, from here, from my location. I repeat, I see it with my naked eyes. The only thing the zoom is doing, it is magnifying it. Okay? So this is optical zoom. Let's go full digital. See that? It has only magnified the image. It hasn't brought the eye, it's, you know, closer to me or anything like that. You see both. Okay, The zoom is only magnifying. It's like a magnifying glass. It is not bringing things back into your view once they vanish or once they get out of the circle of sight from your location. It's very simple to understand, and I fear this will be used by shills. Well, it has been used by all shills mainly because it's easily debunkable. If you have a camera, you can debunk this yourself. You do not, again I repeat, you do not bring things closer to you. You cannot bring a ship that has set or vanished from your circle of sight into view with a zoom, with any zoom, a million times, doesn't matter. You cannot bring it back. Once it's gone, it's gone. The zoom will only make it bigger. That's all, guys. I hope you find this educational. I hope it helps you to distinguish and realize who is lying to you, because this is easily debunkable, as I have just done. This doesn't mean there's curvature. Please watch Evan Skeptic's video on circle of sight, how we see, and this is just my short input of what really happens with a zoom camera. This proves the sun is close because it doesn't shrink in size. I wish you a good day, guys. And look at this beauty. Yes, I know it's cloudy, but it's not raining. Hey, have a good day. All the best to you.